Hello my friends. Today I am going to present you a small tutorial on how to smooth 3D models before they are imported into Muvizu. You have already found in many videos made with Muvizu some imported 3D models where it is possible to see the vertices and edges in places where surfaces would be expected to be smooth, as it happens on rounded surfaces. Low poly models use less memory resources, but because they are built with few polygons, and if nothing is done when exporting, they will show their vertices and edges. What can you do? The process is very simple. Import your low poly object into Blender. At this point, you can assign to it only a color or an UV map. In this example, the object has already an included UV map, which facilitates all the process. Center object to the grid, and apply location, scale and rotation. Now is time to smooth object surface. Select object, in Tool tab, go to Shading, and click to smooth. As you can see, object surface is now smooth. Vertices can only be guessed in the outline. Object is ready to export as FBX format. In FBX Exporting tab, use presented settings. Don't forget on geometry settings to select apply modifiers and set smoothing to face. Choose a file name and save it as you wish. Open Muvizu and import the saved FBX object. Object is now clean and smooth. This process can be applied in every object, following the principle that the more polygons they have, the higher the smoothing quality. I hope this can help you. Thanks for watching.